Alright guys, this is Florida Adventures. Adrian, Jordan, we have a new guy out with us today, Mike. And we got Connor, Colin, and yeah, we're out today in some kind of crappy weather. It's been raining on and off, and we're gonna do some shelters and just kind of hang out today. So we'll get back to you. Spring is here, you guys.
That's very good.
First flower of the season.
So pretty.
Alright, it started raining pretty hard, and I'm trying to keep my camera dry. As you can see, all the rain.
Hey guys.
Crappy day.
Hey, where'd I go?
So this is perfect weather to practice tarp shelters in, because we can see if they actually hold up. And Colin, did you bring a poncho?
Yeah, you did.
Okay.
I'm so prepared.
And that's Jordan's rain gear. It's shelter. It doubles as a rain catch. You can flip it upside down. You can drink water out of it. And it's pink, which makes it easily visible.
Exactly.
And very pretty.
I have a tarp. That's Mike's tarp shelter.
And Connor's
freestanding shelter.
Connor's going Rambo in the bush today.
I don't know which one. Look out!
We have to keep looking for him. We're gonna lose him.
It's the only one that has the hole in it. Let a pig! I got it!
Alright, press him up. Alright, rain's letting up a little bit. Keep switching between raining pretty hard, then just nothing at all. Hi!
Hi!
Our channels are syncing up for a second.
It's like...
Johnny got chip on your tootsies.
Oh, I did.
We're doing a bit of that.
Yeah, burrs all over.
Right now we're actually on some free.
He walked off without telling anybody. Now, this is an example of some good protein. Found this dead. Yep. You can eat it. Or just look at it.
It's got a nice color.
Yeah, pretty.
It's a very nice hue. You want to make sure you eat them while green because that means that they have lots of essential green amino acids and vitamins.
A lot of chlorophyll in that. Yeah, so I disturbed this ant pile and
Pretty pissed.
yeah, pretty mad. There's a lot of them.
already moved all larvae down inside the nest more.
There's a lot of them. Oh, they did, yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
As soon as I swiped off the top of this mound, there's a bunch of larvae, and they carried them all back in. So it's cool.
That's so nice.
Explored a lot of new trails today, but we ended up back at our usual spot. This little fire pit. It's Mike and Jordan sitting kind of close. I don't know about that. Yeah. Connor. Alright, we'll get back to you in a bit.
Alright, we're heading back down the trail after fishing and hanging out by the river. And we're going to throw up a couple shelters for you guys. Shelters.